channel. So yeah, I'm home right now. It's really hot right now, which is a good thing. The rain stopped already because the typhoon exit already. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna open now that. Remember the what I posted, like the first video, like I bought a what do you call this, air fryer. Now I'm gonna open it. It's like unboxing. Here it is, guys. I'm just gonna open it. Something like just it's this one. Hopefully this is gonna be good. It's so quiet in here. So hard. Wait. I'm not gonna throw away the box because I might use it again because there's a warranty. Just in case there's gonna be something wrong. Let's see if it's a good one. Let's see, and hopefully it's good. Okay, I actually have like this one. How to use it. Okay, not bad. I think this is just a perfect size. I'm gonna try it. Wait. Here it is, guys. It's nice. Look. I can't wait to use it. Look at this. There's actually a guide how to. Here. So yeah, guys, I don't know where to put it because I don't have space. I actually have so many things right now. I don't know what to do with them, where to put them. That's why I'm waiting for my the rug that I ordered, and it says it's out for deliver. It's delivered already, but I haven't received it yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it back in the box, and then I will just show it to you guys later, because I need to show you guys about my where I'm gonna put them. So yeah, see you later, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back. So I just received my package. I mean, it's my parcel just right now. Here it is. It doesn't look like a rug, but I will show it to you guys. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it, like it's so big. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this. I don't know how I'm gonna assemble this because it's really big. I need help. have a, oh my gosh, I don't know guys how to wait, I'm having a hard time, but it has like a menu instruction how to assemble it, but I will show it to you guys when I just look. It's really hard to remove all of them. Oh guys, I don't understand what it's saying, but I don't know. I will try. One. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do it. It's gonna take time for me. How do I do this? One assembly instruction. I'm gonna do the first one, like A is, which one is it? It's gonna work in here. But I'm just gonna ask someone. I think I got it now, but still hard. This one goes here. And then this one goes here. Let's see. It's actually more easy to just twist it than using this thingy that they provide. Oh no, I think it's not gonna work that way. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Woo. I don't like asking help guys because I feel like I want to challenge myself, but I will show it to you guys when it's finished. This guys, it's been an hour. I just realized how to, I'll just find out how to like assemble it. But yeah, this is what I've been just working on. But anyway guys, I'll show it to you guys later once it's done guys. I have to reassemble it again. Okay guys, I finished like here guys, how you call it, and I'm gonna have to put this one like for the basket for this one. So yeah, oh my god, I was so stressed out. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna put it, something like this. I make sure that I'm looking online also, so if I'm doing it right, but yeah, I think it's good. So yeah, anyway guys, I'll be right back when it's like almost finished. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm almost finished. I managed to assemble it here. I'm gonna have to add one more here, down here, and then this one, it's wrong. It's supposed to be the other one because it's the bigger one. So yeah, I'll be right back when it's done. Okay guys, So this is the result. Like this. And I will just have to put that on top. So yeah. Let's put it, guys. It's supposed to be like here, I think. I'm gonna put it here. And then here. Down here. Oh shoot. I see it like in here, this one, and one more. And here. Some tools here. This one. I have more here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. This is what it looks like. So yeah guys, I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna it was really so hot. So I think I'm just gonna find a spot where to put it. No, sorry. I have this thing here. I don't know what is this for. Here, I'm gonna think about it, where it's supposed to be. But yeah. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.